Join me as I dive deep into the world of space stocks and challenge myself to predict if they're about to explode. SpaceX, one of the most prominent players in the aerospace sector, has been making waves with its innovative approach to space travel and exploration. As a privately held company, SpaceX doesn't have publicly traded stock, but its performance is often seen as an indicator of the industry's health. Investors are paying close attention to SpaceX's progress, given its significant role in the development of reusable rockets and satellite technology. SpaceX faces stiff competition from other players in the aerospace industry, including Blue Origin and United Launch Alliance. These companies are also working on developing reusable rockets and satellite technology, making the market increasingly crowded. Regulatory hurdles are another challenge SpaceX needs to navigate, as government agencies like the Federal Aviation Administration and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration scrutinize its operations. Financial sustainability is also a concern, as SpaceX burns through cash to fund its ambitious projects. Additionally, the high cost of launching payloads into space poses a significant challenge to the company's financials. Recent developments have been promising, with SpaceX securing new contracts with NASA and other private clients. The company's Starship program, designed for lunar and interplanetary missions, has made significant strides, with successful tests and prototype development. Moreover, SpaceX's satellite constellation, Starlink, is expanding rapidly, providing internet access to remote areas and generating additional revenue streams. Technological advancements, such as the development of the Raptor engine, have also been crucial in driving progress. Analyzing data and trends, some experts believe SpaceX's stock could be poised for a significant rise. The company's track record of successful launches, its dominant position in the market, and its innovative approach to space technology are all positives. However, others point to the risks and uncertainties in the industry, including regulatory challenges and intense competition. Another key factor to consider is the company's financial health, as it continues to invest heavily in research and development. The impact of government policies and funding on SpaceX's stock value should not be underestimated. In conclusion, SpaceX's stock has the potential to move significantly, driven by factors such as its competitive advantage, technological advancements, and government contracts. Various factors, including market competition and regulatory hurdles, will influence this movement. What do you think about SpaceX stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, check out my latest video on how to navigate the complex world of stocks and make informed decisions.